You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. It's a name actually, but yeah, it's a word originally. And more confusing names too many people get wrong. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. So there are indeed two different ways of pronouncing it, depending on the origin, the person, the individual really, the language perhaps. Kyra or Kyra, yeah, both pronunciations are correct. How do you like to pronounce it, if you were Kyra or Kyra? Or if you know any, let us know in the comments, so we know a bit better the proportions. Thanks for watching, I'll see you there to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching again. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.